Ekadashi, then is possible. Next, our best puja for getting strength and will be ready. Once a time, Pujapad Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, the Saraswat Chaitanya Saraswat Math, or every year Parikrama after Param Gurudev with his prominent disciples, he is going Gaudavada with the meeting for. And each other meeting, then they discussing about some program, Prabhupada, next all year and past time, how is gone, all are meeting and discussing. That year Param Gurudev gone meeting with him, then all three there is gone with him. Three Maharaj and others also brahmacharis are with him. Then Param Gurudev going and then he is offering pranam. The Pujapad Sridhar Goswami Maharaj also offering pranam. After all are sitting, then he saying, "Oh, you are seriously serving his Prabhupada, like Ishwarpur is serving Madhavendra Puripad. After God came, he is near and he is taking Diksha Mantra. So I am very happy and very surprised also. You are serving Prabhupada, now you near very scholar, very founder, this all Maharaj, three Maharaj. Like Swami Sandini Aladini, this Kriyas tendencies, all are is with you. How are they? All are with you, like Prabhupada himself is giving everything you, all wealth you near. He is hearing this, all Maharaj, these classes, lectures. And there came Param Gurudev Parikrama, Param Gurudev this, all program. Not only Parikrama, magazine, everything is running. And Vaishnavas respect and services more well running. Param Gurudev like his God brother too much. First time, Prabhupada time too. He is serving. And now he is very happy. Why? Prabhupada, Shasta Guru and disciples, any followers came, everybody happy with this Param Gurudev mission. Why these Maharajas take care very seriously? They know God's service very far away. Vaishnava is not pleased with us, then God how will be pleased? Where is God? How can meeting with God? How can serving Him? How can pleasing Him? My near Bhakta, devotee Vaishnavas, I cannot serving them, cannot pleasing them. Then mantra, other power, Shakti is coming our near, not possible. Therefore, he is saying, oh, this Vaman Maharaj, he is like Nirgun, Suddha Sattva, Vasudev Maharaj Swarup. Oh, I am very pleased. Anybody watching him, his heart is at a time clean, pure Sattva, Suddha Sattva Mukti. Are these? He is very hidden. He is very silent, very quiet, big Pandit, big his talents, he has many things telling. After he is saying, oh, this Maharaj, Trivikram Maharaj, oh, I am very happy with him. Why? He is like everybody is seriously bringing Maya near to, giving Avidya Vritti, Seva Vritti, service tendency. This Maharaj, he is Prajanatmak, Braja Prem giving for direct his came. So this Sambandha Avidya Prayojanatmak, these three things you have. What you have sought? You are really Prabhupada Srishtakur expansion, meaning second deity. All are respecting you like Prabhupada. He is telling and his heart is melting. His silence. Then Param Gurudev telling, oh, your darshan, Vaishnav darshan. You are great, therefore watching everything great. All Mahabhagavat, everybody watching their Bhagavat. Then each other's meeting. After Param Gurudev disappears, after also all Guru Varga every year going after Parikrama. Finish meeting with him. He is like 1998. He is long time he is staying in this world. He disappears. But all time, every year, also yearly, sometime they are going meeting and discussing, talking. Also, Maharaj nature, he is going Prabhupada Sachakur, all disciples near, like Bhakti Devan Maharaj near, Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, Bhakti Datta Madhav Goswami Maharaj near, Bhakti Goswami Savan Maharaj near, Bhakti Vyastirtha Maharaj near. I am with Maharaj, I am gone many Prabhupada Sachakur, these followers and disciples near. Maharaj going, respecting properly and serving. Also any books he is translating, writing, printing, he is giving. Also they are near to taking. All time. There are any books, magazine, any things, collection, he is bringing. How is relation? Anything they have, they are giving. Like one family. Like one relatives. The meeting. So they are each other's, this respect with this, their teachings are showing us. But now, all our heart is why is dry and desert. No respect for anybody. Pujapati Vikram Maharaj, any guest come, any devotee come, night time, 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, I am seeing. He is himself is cooking. All days, no seva with him. He is himself cooking, gate opening, giving prasadam, giving room, bed, broken temple, nothing. But he is giving everything, anyhow arranging. They are going by train or by bus. Next is arranging. Okay, anybody coming Mathura? What is eating? Is 10. New, very new persons. No senior like Prabhupada disciple or any others. New, like my god brothers or any others. They are also, they don't know Harinam also. They don't know Guru's Vandana. But Maharaj is respecting everybody. And serving everybody. Maharaj, in his life, last day also, he said, this is our main property, this Vaishnava Seva. He is practicing, this is his life, but serious. So today is Vyas Puja day, his near is praying, all are getting this strength, spiritual, and then possible is entering this bhakti's life. Otherwise, without Vaishnava's mercy, bhakti very far away. Remembering them, bring their near, their mercy is dropping and flowing. Then our this soul will be strong. Otherwise, all are weak, all time lost everything. Now tomorrow, next class. Now is time is over. Good Praman.